Hello everybody, it's a nice day today. Welcome to Uphere Tech Tutorials channel. And today we're gonna do an AMD build. And what do we have here? First of all, we have an AMD Ryzen 5 2600 3.4 GB processor. You can max it overclock it to 3.9 gigahertz. And we picked that up from Amazon for $164. And for the motherboard, I have an AMD B450A Pro, and it supports AMD Ryzen using the AM4 chipset, which I also picked up from Amazon for $100. And then next, we have a crucial Ballistix Sport AT 32GB RAM with 2 sticks of DIMMs. And I think that's good because, I mean, you don't need a 48GB kit to fill all your RAM slots. And we picked that up for $169. It's good for hobbyists and gamers. And next up, we have an Intel 660 series 1TB M.2 22880 solid state drive, which will go in the M.2 socket in the motherboard, which I picked up very cheap for $109 on Newegg. Yes, that is a steal. Yes, that is a steal. Yeah, it's usually $130, but I'm glad it was on sale because this was a much needed build. And for the power supply, I got a Corsair Carbide SB04 black ATX mid-tower power supply for $49 on Newegg. And then also I got a Corsair Carbide SPEC04 case, which only comes with one fan, but that's not a problem at all. I also picked up from Amazon for $12 and uphere fans, which are 3 fans long life, and they're red LEDs. That's very nice. And also, I had laying around a 1 terabyte hard drive, so I just decided I would use it. It's from Western Digital, and it has 32 megabytes of cache. And those are all the parts I have for the build. And in total, the build cost $704. That's a nice budget build price. The boot menu has appeared, which is an indication of the computer's working. Thank you for all your help and support. With gratitude, Obed Kahua, founder and CEO of Obed Tech. And please visit my website, obedtech.com, and stay tuned for updates.